Hello, everybody. How are you? Welcome to the Young Dreamers Art Festival. This is so much fun. I hope you're going to have super duper fun today because I certainly am. Does anyone know what my name is? Who I am? My name's Auntie Neera, but you can call me Cool Auntie Neera. No? How about Amazing Auntie Neera? No? I know. Oh, so fabulous Auntie Neera. No? Trying too hard, huh? Fine. So, the Trying Too Hard Auntie Neera has planned lots and lots of fun activities for all you children today. But first, I want to say to everybody who submitted their artwork, you guys are just amazing. And it wasn't just your skill that was commendable, but the thought process that went behind your artwork on how you look at the world was just simply fabulous. I understand that the corona pandemic has affected everything that we do. But you know what? You kids have been the true champions. You've had to deal with lockdown, not being able to go to school, homeschooling, wearing your mask all the time, not being able to go to the playground or swimming pool or activities, not even having birthday parties. I know, that's so sad. And this Christmas holidays, we can't even travel anywhere. But you know what? We can do a lot more fun things. And that's why we decided to organize the Young Dreamers Art Festival so that you all can have fun and enjoy. And mommy and daddy would be very happy too. So let's go to the plan for today. What are we going to do first? First, we are going to announce the three winners of the arts competition in both category 6 to 9 years and 10 to 13 years. Our judges, Auntie Kashmira, Auntie Preeti, and Auntie Aarti, were so confused whom to pick because all of you did such a wonderful job. So, thumbs up from all of us here. Then we're going to do a very interesting workshop that'll make your brain sharper and calmer at the same time. Can you believe that? So, you know what? Then you can do better at school and at activities and home. It is meditation and mindfulness with Auntie Teresa from Hong Kong. I know we all have to wear masks, and it is not a lot of fun. And by the looks of it, we might be wearing our masks for a little longer than we like. But guess what? What if we could create a masterpiece on our mask just like how we do on the paper? Fun, right? Well, Auntie Sumedha from Dubai is going to show you how to paint on a face mask. So then you can make a personalized face mask for yourself and for everybody else at home once you learn it. And then, since you would have been sitting down for such a long time, and maybe your leg is falling asleep or you're falling a little asleep, well, what you need to do is move your body around. No, 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 not dancing like the way I was doing. We're going to do something even better. We're going to do yoga with Auntie Tripti from Hong Kong. Did you know that practicing yoga not only helps you build physical strength, but it also helps with mental resilience? And you know where you need that? You need that all the time, and especially when you're stressed out or you're anxious about something. Yoga also helps with creativity, which means you can draw even better after yoga. And that's why our next activity, which is going to be the last one for you all, will be being creative with digital art. That's right. How exciting, right? So you will be doing that with Auntie Kumuda from Singapore. She's going to show you how to make interesting patterns easily using the app. So if your parents haven't downloaded the app, just remind them to do that right now. We've sent them the instructions. We'll do that anyway again before we start, right? Now, once you know all of that, you can teach us because definitely you kids are way better than us in technology. Do you know, I still don't know how to switch on the music without unlocking my phone. My 5-year-old knows. I know, lame. Well, that will bring us to the end of the activities, as I mentioned, for the children, but the grown ups are going to stay back for a parenting seminar. Yes, we need to learn as well as grown-ups, just like how you as kids need to learn. We have to learn all the time too, so that we can do what's best for you. Today we're going to be doing a seminar with Auntie Anya from Singapore, who's going to talk about how to build immunity for children, which is especially important in these times. So, mommy and daddy are going to learn some wonderful things that will help all of you. So, are you all excited? Are you ready? Are you ready for the program to begin? Are you? Are you? Because I am. All right. So, what are we going to do next? We're going to invite our judges. All right. Let's invite them. I'm going to use my invisible magic wand, and we're going to make them appear very, very soon. And I'm going to put some of my magic dust, and they're going to appear very soon on your screen. And look, they're coming up. They're coming up. Everybody's here and they're so excited. They're so excited. Yesterday, they did the judging for the 2 to 5 year old little kids, and they're so excited about the artwork that you kids have done. So, I'm going to do the introductions first. First up, we have Auntie Kashmira from Hong Kong, who's a fantastic artist, and she's also the founder of Cashew Nuts Art Studio, where she teaches art to children and adults. So, Kashmira, can you tell us how's been your experience of judging all the artwork?
Firstly, I would like to thank you for making me a part of such an amazing art competition. I'm amazed at the amount and quality of work, that the team has put into the projects and the professionalism, their approach towards each project or each artwork that has come up with. I think even everyone who has participated should be as proud and as happy to be a part of it. I would like to congratulate all the students who took part and wish them all the best for their future.
Thank you. And up next, we have Auntie Preeti from India. She's also a very, very talented
Hi.
artist, and she's the co founder of Free Soul Art, where she teaches children to express themselves through art. How wonderful is that? Auntie Preeti, can you tell us how does art help children express themselves?
Art is a language which doesn't need words. So anybody, I feel a child is born and you teach the child how to talk, but you don't need to teach a child how to draw. It is the way they express, they pick up their own colors, they make their own color story, they make their own imagination and express it through colors. So it's a beautiful way how you can, through art, you can express yourself.
Well, thank you so much for giving us all of this information and input. And I agree, art is a beautiful way to express ourselves. And
Absolutely.
next up, we have Auntie Aarti from Singapore, and who, just like you, started painting and coloring when she was very, very young. And then as she grew up, she made so many paintings, beautiful paintings. She's won so many awards and competitions, and her work takes her all over the world. Auntie Aarti, do you have any word of advice for our budding artists?
Just follow your heart, just enjoy yourself. That is the most important thing. So keep creating, make a lot of work, maybe just a small artwork every now and then, every maybe 2 3 days. Practice, and get as good as you can get, and everything else will fall into place. Don't be worried about making mistakes. That is how you will learn. So just keep doing and you will learn from your mistakes.
Thank you so much, Auntie Aarti. That was wonderful. I'm sure the kids are going to keep some of that advice in their mind. Don't forget, in your mind. Good job. All right. Well, drum roll, because it is time to announce the winners. Okay, let's start with the 6 to 9 category. Auntie Kashmira, would you do us the honors of announcing who's the third prize winner for today?
Okay. So the third prize winner is Arya Desai.
Yay!
Woohoo!
Well done, Arya. Good job. Congratulations, Arya. You have won 1 hour free yoga class for you and your mommy or your daddy with Auntie Maitri of Savyasachi from Singapore. Congratulations. All right, Auntie Aarti, are you ready to announce the second prize winner for today?
Oh, yes, I am. I'm very happy to announce her name. It is Tata Deep Rakshita. Congratulations.
Wow, congratulations. Well done. Well done. And guess, Tata, what you have won? You have won a 30-minute cooking class with Miss Anya Watkoska of Living Veggie by Anya from Singapore. You're going to have a lot of fun making something very delicious. Congratulations once again. All right, Auntie Preeti, can you announce who's the first prize winner for today?
Yes, would love to. And I'm so happy because I saw her artwork and it was so clean, very, not just the subject, but also the technique of coloring. It was very nice, smooth, very colorful. And her name is some suspense. Okay, Ritika. Her name is
Wow.
Ritika.
The way she divided the earth in the center and then the four
Yeah,
and the
absolutely.
cleanliness, the
Yes, very,
gradients. I think
yeah,
there was a lot of thought in the entire procedure. Very, very original and
very
nice.
original. Yes, very original.
Ritika, you have won a 1 hour parent and child art workshop on how to construct a perspective drawing with Auntie Kumuda of Stroke Art Studio in Singapore. And you're going to be learning a little bit more from her anyway today, so you get to see her. So, congratulations. But like everybody said, like all the judges said, you all are winners. So please keep drawing, painting, and imagining. So good job, everybody. Good job. All right. Well, drum roll again. Because we are going to announce the winners for the 10 to 13 years category. Okay, Auntie Preeti, are you ready with who is the third prize winner for today?
Yes, I'm ready. And I'm so happy to announce Niharika Singhal.
You have won a 1 hour free yoga class with Tripti Rathi of Hong Kong. Auntie Kashmira, are you ready to announce the second prize winner for
Yes.
today?
So the second prize winner is Tata Deep Rakshita. I think her sister won in the before category, and I think both are very talented children. And
Absolutely.
congratulations.
Well, congratulations once again. And you have won 1 hour exclusive workshop on tween sense. So, how to be authentic, beautiful, and confident by Teresa Su from Lotus TV in Hong Kong. And you're going to be seeing her a little later today. Auntie Aarti, are you ready to announce the first prize winner for today?
Yes, I am. And it's my honor, my pleasure to say this name, Kanak Ramnani. I am very, very happy to announce her name.
Well done, well done. And again, big congratulations to all the children who sent in their entries. Like we all said, it wasn't just your drawing skill that impressed us, but it was the thought process behind all of that work. Let's say thank you to our judges, and also make sure you seek their blessings, because one day you can all become great artists just like them. And if any of your parents want to get in touch, or you want to get in touch with the judges and know about their art classes, or commission some personalized piece of art for your homes, please reach out to them. We're sharing their details in the chat group, so you can have a look and your parents can have a look as well. And yes, they're all giving you your blessings too. So thank you.